Yes, go ahead.
So my name is Carmen Caldwell. My question is around debt, like your current debt.
Yes.
So how do you factor that in as you're doing all of this?
So first of all, how many of you, one of your goals is to pay off your debt? Stand up. This is going to be twice as hard for you guys as everybody else. You know why? It's a horrible goal to pay off debt. You get up every day and go, oh my God, I have to make 100 sales calls today because that's what I know I need to do to get the results I want to get, okay? And I've got to do this, and I've got to do this, and I'm going to need to stay up late to do this and do this, and oh my gosh, 25 people told me no today, and I'm feeling like, am I even good at this? Can I even do this? And my employee just quit this morning, so I've got to take on double work, but it's all right because I'm going to pay off my credit card. Realistically, you will never be driven to pay off debt.
Okay.
It's fine to have a goal of like, I have things that I'm like, in 6 months, I really want to see that paid off. But it can't be a motivating factor, right? Doesn't mean that it can't be one of your action items. Is this making sense, everybody? Yeah. Do not build a business based on, I'm going to get out of debt. First of all, debt is one of the most empowering tools you will ever have. I am in debt right now. I continue to be in debt. Debt built me an empire. Write that down. Debt built me an empire. She's going to sit down. She's like, I'm going to write that down. I got to get away from the mic. Debt built me an empire, and it can build you one too. Responsible, intelligent debt.